This is my horror action figure collection. So let's take a look at the first one here. This is Freddy Krueger from part 2. And look at that face. Look at that. Face only a mother can love. And then when we moving on now to Jason from part 7. And he's like a zombie Jason here. He got his weed whacker with him this time. And he is going at Jeff Bridges. Jeff Bridges is saying, "Don't whack my weeds, don't whack my weeds." He got that weed whacker. We've been waiting for Jason with the weed whacker, the hedge trimmer. So Jeff Bridges is there saying, "Don't trim my hedges." All right, let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness. Oh God. Look at that face. Only a mother could love that face. He's all rotted, zombified. And even before that, he was, I think Jason was inbred. It's a product of inbreeding. My God. Oh, what we got going on over here? Ric Flair? Hulk Hogan? No, no, no. Well, that ain't right. Let me get that out the way. This Halloween, not SummerSlam. Alright, moving on. We got King Diamond. That's King Diamond right there from the band King Diamond. And you see he's got his skull there full of blood, ready to have a drink and pass a good time. And there's some plans behind him. Just ignore them plans. It's from my wife. She wants to make everything look pretty. Trying to make King Diamond here and Jason and Freddy Krueger look all nice and pretty. Bless her heart. Moving on, we got another Freddy Krueger. Look at that face. Look at that. Only a mother can love that. Next, we got Michael Myers from the new Halloween series and Dr. Loomis. Dr. Loomis is there pointing a gun at him. I prayed that he would go to hell, but in my heart, I knew that hell wouldn't have him. Like he said in part 5. Here's Michael Myers from part 2. Now that, my friends, is another face that only a mother can love. This is a sideshow figure. This is Jason from part 3, Friday the 13th. Look at that face. Face only a mother can love. He's holding his axe there, getting ready to hit a home run. Last but not least, Pinhead from Hellraiser. Amazing sculpt, amazing figure. Look at all them pins in his head. Look at that face. Only a mother could love that face. Well, alright folks, that's gonna be it. And look, just ignore that little toy right there. That's my wife again putting all that foolishness in there. Yesterday she tried to put a little unicorn by Pinhead. Come on, man. Alright, you folks have a happy Halloween. We're gonna go watch Critters.